Imagine scrolling through a website on your phone, only to find that the text is too small to read, the images are all over the place, and you have to pinch and zoom just to navigate. Frustrating, right? That's where responsive website design comes in to save the day. Responsive design ensures that your website looks great and functions seamlessly on any device, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. It's like having a website that can shapeshift to fit any screen size, providing a consistent and user-friendly experience for everyone. So, why is responsive design so important? Well, for starters, it improves accessibility by making your content easily readable and navigable for all users. Plus, search engines love responsive websites, giving them a boost in rankings and making them more discoverable to potential customers. Not to mention, responsive design is cost-effective too. Instead of building separate websites for different devices, you can have one responsive site that adapts to them all. This saves time, money, and resources in the long run. But the benefits don't stop there. Responsive design also leads to increased user engagement. When visitors can effortlessly browse your site on any device, they're more likely to stay longer, explore more pages, and ultimately convert into customers. Now, let's dive into the key elements of responsive design. Flexible grids ensure that your content is proportionally laid out, no matter the screen size. Breakpoints and media queries help your website adapt to different devices, adjusting layouts and content as needed. And let's not forget about typography and responsive images, which play a crucial role in maintaining a visually appealing and cohesive design across devices. In today's digital age, having a responsive website is not just a nice-to-have. It's a must-have for businesses looking to thrive online. So, if you want to learn more about responsive design and how it can benefit your business, head over to the Genie Crawl website for valuable insights and resources. Remember, in the world of web design, responsiveness is key. So, make sure your website is ready to shine on every screen and delight every visitor.